Introducing the Aerial Drone Competition Mission 2026 Time Warp. Time Warp features 4 missions for teams to compete in: teamwork, piloting, autonomous flight, and communications. Teamwork mission. Played on a 20-foot by 20-foot competition field, the Teamwork mission has 2 drone teams competing as an alliance in 90-second teamwork matches, working collaboratively to score as many points as possible. Alliances earn points by introducing balls into the field, moving balls to scoring zones, completing the Time Warp flight path, and landing before the time runs out. There are 3 ways to introduce balls into the field. Launchers. Teams will place balls on the launcher from designated loading stations. The drone will then be used to tip the ramp, launching balls into the field. An alliance earns points when the loading station is cleared of all 8 balls. Drop zones. Drones can maneuver balls into holes, but beware, some holes will drop the balls into less favorable spots, so precision flying is essential. Clearing the drop zone of all 8 balls earns points for the alliance. Pillars. Pilots can use the drone to knock balls off of pillars, but be careful, because the alliance will only earn points if the pillar is standing at the end of the match. Once the balls are introduced, they can be maneuvered into scoring zones. Balls in the inner zone are worth 1 point each, but if teams maneuver the balls into the outer zone, they are worth even more. During the final 30 seconds of the match, alliances can complete the Time Warp flight path to earn additional points. As the match comes to a close, alliances will earn points by landing their drone on the cube, landing pad, or bullseye of their alliance color. Piloting skills mission. In each piloting skills mission match, pilots will navigate the drone along a flight path for 60 seconds on a field that measures approximately 24 feet by 7 feet. During the mission, pilots can earn points by completing Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. Teams can earn extra points by flying through the small holes on the fly-through panel. If time permits, teams can race back to repeat as many additional phases as possible and then land before the timer reaches 0. Autonomous flight skills mission. The autonomous flight mission gives team programmers a chance to showcase their coding skills. Teams can decide the order in which they complete tasks based on their programming strengths. Tasks vary in difficulty, with more complex objectives earning higher point values. In Mission 2026, each match lasts 3 minutes. During that time, teams may reset their drone to the starting position as often as needed, run as many programs as time allows, and make coding adjustments during resets. The final score is the total of all points earned from successfully completed tasks within the match time. Communications mission. Teams can submit a competition logbook to showcase their written documentation skills and will also participate in an interview conducted by volunteer judges to assess their verbal communication abilities. For more information, including the team interview rubric, competition logbook rubric, and details on judged awards, visit the REC library. We are excited to see your team in action at an upcoming aerial drone competition. To learn more about the aerial drone competition and read the official rules of Mission 2026 Time Warp, visit drones.recf.org. Good luck, and we'll see you on the competition field soon.